for a marble to go, and then at the end you have to get into the bucket. So in the beginning, it's kind of like a maze where it goes through it, and then I used popsicle sticks, so 2 popsicle sticks, and then I taped it around. And then when it comes here, I just stapled it so I can go fast down, and then it goes into a loop. Then over here, it's kind of like a funnel, so it goes under. And then over here, it took me a while because it was hard to get the exact pieces, but then to get the momentum to go in. But I just made a little curve, and then it goes in. So here's the test drive. Hey, it worked!
Hey, great job. This is excellent. Great.
So yeah, that's my track. Down here.
Oh no!
Vino!
No! Stop! Don't!
Vino! No! You're gonna crush it.
Oh my god! You can, but you have to stop right there. What is it doing?
Trying to fly out. What the?
No.
Dude, its leg is broken. I see it.
Oh damn, it is?
It like snapped. Like its ankle.
Why
its
is he trying
ankle.
to do that?
Its ankle
It's
broke,
dumb. It doesn't want to go
Vino
other
likes to
way.
be a
I can't go.
Wait, don't you? Right?
the other way.
Yeah.
Doesn't want to go the other way.
This is your trial, Vino.
Knowledge
I
that
swear,
the
it's gonna
leg
turn
is
around and
broken.
start flying into one of you.
Hey sisters,
trying to
what's
run away
up?
from us. It's trying to run away from us.
Then someone needs to go down.
It's trying to run up to me. I think it hates
Bruh, I don't like this.
Does someone, I could pick it up. I mean,
me. It's a shiny!
So scared and goes the other way.
no, Vino's going in. Isn't that the same thing?
No, a veteran.
That's the veteran.
Yeah.
Wait, what? Oh. Abby, stop kicking.
Anybody want to play
You're like a
basketball? What happens if I throw a ball at you?
No, it's coming up.
Oh god, Maggie just rolled it down. Oh.
It looks like it can definitely fly.
Can we play basketball?
Are you sure?
This is not basketball. Not. This is not a bird. This is a monstrosity. This ain't a bird. This ain't bird.
I mean, guys, we really have to place it on somewhere that doesn't have a loop. 'Cause it's
It's too slippery.
maybe we need to just scoop it out.
I mean, there's no way.
Come on, kid.
Vino.
Okay, it can boat this stand. Okay. Hey, buddy. Hey. Little buddy. Buddy, seriously, just get out. You're gonna die.
Are you sure I can fly?
I definitely can. I hope I'm Sorry.